एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द चैनल राइट डायरेक्शंस बाय सलीम। इस वीडियो में हम साइक्लोन के रिलेटेड पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है, इंपॉर्टेंट है बहुत ज़्यादा। साइक्लोन साइक्लोन इज़ अ रीजन ऑफ लो एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर सराउंडेड बाय हाई एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर रिजल्टिंग इन swirling atmospheric disturbance accompanied by powerful winds blowing in anti-clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and in the clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. They occur mainly in the tropical and temperate regions of the world. Then उसके बाद देखते हैं salient features of tropical cyclones. Cyclones vary in diameter from 50 to 320 km, but their effects dominate thousands of square kilometers of ocean surface and the lower atmosphere. Tropical cyclones characterized by destructive winds, torrential rainfall, and storms surges disrupt normal life with the accompanying phenomenon of floods due to the exceptional level of rainfall and storm surge inundation into inland areas. Cyclonic storms are more common in India's eastern coast and Bangladesh. They routinely hit between April and November, causing death and widespread damage to property. Then impacts of tropical cyclones. The cyclones cause great damage throughout the entire path of its passage. The strong cyclonic winds that precede and follow the cyclone blow away houses ranging from small huts to concrete structures and houses made of steel and stones. The electric poles are uprooted and smashed. The heavy and torrential rains then cause the floods which play further havoc all around. The winds passing over oceans and sea give rise to mighty waves called storm surges. They strike the coastal areas like a huge wall of water and cause damage up to 10 to 15 km away from the coast towards the land. The landslides prompted by cyclonic conditions become more dangerous and destructive. Landslides. Then high winds and rains ruin the standing crops and food stock lying in low-lying areas. Plantation type crops such as banana and coconut are extremely vulnerable. Salt from the sea water may get deposited on the agricultural land and increase the salinity. Then the loss of the crop may lead to acute food shortage, severe disruption in the communication links, as the wind may bring down the electricity and communication towers, telephone poles, telephone lines, antennas, and satellite dish and broadcasting services. Transport lines, road and rail may be curtailed. Lack of proper communication affects effective distribution of relief materials. उसके बाद देखते हैं ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन्स इन इंडिया। ठीक है, इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट इज़ वन ऑफ द वर्स्ट साइक्लोन अफेक्टेड एरियाज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. अराउंड 8% ऑफ द टोटल जियोग्राफिकल एरिया, पर्टिकुलरली अलॉन्ग द ईस्टर्न कोस्ट एंड कोस्ट ऑफ गुजरात, इज़ वल्नरेबल टू ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन्स. ठीक है, साइक्लोन थेन के बारे में देखते हैं. दिस साइक्लोन हिट द सदर्न स्टेट ऑफ तमिलनाडु, किलिंग डजन्स ऑफ पीपल इन 2001. Then Odisha super cyclone. This super cyclone that hit Odisha coast in 1999 killed more than 10,000 people. से ज़्यादा लोगों को मार दिया ओडिशा सुपर साइक्लोन 1999 का. देन फैलिन, PHAILIN, फैलिन. It was the most intense tropical cyclone to hit eastern coast of India since Odisha super cyclone. It swept through Odisha and Andhra coast in 2013. उसके बाद है हुदूद साइक्लोन, HUDHUD, हुदूद साइक्लोन. हुदूद 2014 पॉन्डेड इंडियाज ईस्टर्न कोस्ट, किलिंग मोर देन 40 पीपल. देन नीलोफर जो है ना, ये भी एक साइक्लोन था. ठीक है, ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन ये नीलोफर. दिस साइक्लोन हिट द गुजरात कोस्ट इन 2014. इट वाज कैटेगराइज्ड एज सीवियर स्टॉर्म, नीलोफर. अच्छा, उसके बाद देखते हैं रिसेंट साइक्लोन्स. ठीक है, राउनु, ROANU, राउनु 2016. It was a weak cyclone that brought torrential rainfall to Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Odisha. Then cyclone Nada, under the influence of a trough, a low pressure area formed in the extreme southeastern part of the Bay of Bengal and crossed the coast of Tamil Nadu. Then cyclonic storm Varda. ठीक है, in early December 2006 near the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, intensified severe cyclonic storm Varda appeared. The cyclone prompted India's largest evacuation in 2 years of 16,000 people. 24 deaths related to cyclone were repeated in Tamil Nadu. अच्छा, उसके बाद देखते हैं रिस्क रिडक्शन मेजर्स ऑफ साइक्लोन। उसमें पहला आ गया कोस्टल बेल्ट प्लांटेशन, ग्रीन बेल्ट प्लांटेशन अलॉन्ग द कोस्टल लाइन इन अ साइंटिफिक interweaving pattern can reduce the effect of the hazard. Forest act as a wide buffer zone against strong winds and flash floods. Without forest, the cyclone travel freely inland. The lack of protective forest cover allows water to inundate large areas and cause destruction. उसके बाद है हैज़र्ड मैपिंग, ठीक है। मेट्रोलॉजिकल रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ द विंड स्पीड एंड द डायरेक्शंस गिव द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द विंड्स इन द रीजन। साइक्लोन्स कैन बी प्रिडिक्टेड several days in advance. The onset is extensive and often very destructive. Past records and path can give the pattern of occurrence for particular wind speeds. A hazard map will illustrate the areas vulnerable to cyclone in any given year. It will be useful to estimate the severity of the cyclone and various damage intensities in the region. Then land use control. The land use can be designed so that least critical activities are placed in vulnerable areas. Location of settlements in the floodplains is at utmost risk. Policies should be in place to regulate land use and building codes should be enforced. Then engineered structures, ठीक है। structures need to be built to withstand the wind forces, ठीक है। बाकी ये पढ़ सकते हो फ्लड मैनेजमेंट वगैरह, ठीक है। थैंक यू।